Today I am going to fix this Acer laptop charger. Let's see what is the problem actually. Let me connect the power cord. Alright, it is connected now. Now let's see the voltage. Let me see the voltage in the connector. Let's see whether this has power. I'm going to keep here in 750 AC. Yeah, voltage is coming 237-38. Voltage is there, AC voltage is there. Now I am connecting to the charger. But there is no DC voltage at all. Alright, let's remove this charger. Let's remove this case and see what is the issue. Alright, to remove this case, I'm going to put the petrol at this joint right around the charger. I have already taken the petrol here in the syringe. Let me apply. I'm just tearing this apart. Alright, I have applied the petrol. Let's wait for some 5 minutes. Alright, it will come out like this very easily without damaging the case. Alright, the cable is connected here. So now let's put that 220 DC here and see whether we get 19 or 20 volts from this point. If we get the voltage, then the fault is in the cable because we are not getting the voltage here in this connector. If we get here, then we have to change the cable. Let's see after connecting this charger. Now I am connecting this power cord. Now let's see whether the voltage is coming on this point. Here it is, 19.5 volt is coming exactly this point. So the charger is working perfectly. The problem is in the cable because we are not getting the voltage here in this point. Let's see again in this point. So this is the problem. Now let's test in this point. It is coming 19.5 volt as it is mentioned in this adapter. The output is 19 volt 2.37 amperes. So 19.5 volt is coming because there is no load. Once the charger is connected to the laptop, it will drop to 19 or maybe 18.5. So let's change this cable. I will find one new cable and come back. So I have this new cable here. Let me connect this cable to this charger. Before that we have to remove this. Please like, share and subscribe to AudioWiz 360. Actually it will motivate me to make this kind of videos. Thanks for subscribing in advance. Alright, let's start changing this. Let's remove this cable. Alright, now you can see here there are two connectors, one is plus and one is minus. The white one is positive and the negative one is, and the black one is negative. Let's remove this. And there are similar in this new cable, there is similar color. White is positive and the black is negative. Let me remove this. It is removed. Now I am going to remove the black one, negative one. Then it is removed. Alright, this is the old cable which is removed. Now I am going to put this new cable. So plus will go to plus. Here it is written here clearly, you can see V out is the plus and the ground is written at the back side, you can see. Alright, put this black one at the back part, back side. Then now the positive wire, white color, goes to V out. Yeah. Alright. Alright, the terminal is connected. Before putting the case back, let's test the charger. Alright. Alright, now I have connected it. Now let's see the voltage here. Putting in the DC 200. Now let's see the voltage in this. Alright, 19.5 volt is coming in this. So charger is back to life again. Let me put the case back. Removing the power cord. I'm putting the case here. Alright. Now it is in the position. This socket is in the position. This cable. Now before putting this case, I am going to apply super glue, Fevikwik here. You can see here. All right, time to put the case. That's it. Let us hold like this for 5 minutes. I will come back again. Now the charger is back to its position perfectly. It looks like it is never even opened. All right, let's see the voltage. Now it is in the 20, or I am keeping in the 200 DC. Alright, 19.5 volt is coming. Fine, then charger is working perfectly. Acer laptop charger. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.